Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charged phone and Wi-Fi connected so transfers are fast. First, open Settings and view Storage to identify the biggest space consumers. This tells you where to act. Next, uninstall or offload apps you haven't used in a month. Doing so often frees 500 MB to multiple GB instantly. Finally, scan your photos and videos for duplicates and large clips. Back them up to the cloud or a computer before deleting to avoid accidental loss. Once you've removed obvious apps and duplicates, dig into app caches and downloads. Clearing them can reclaim hundreds of megabytes per app and improves performance. Next, migrate bulky media, recordings, RAW photos, offline playlists, to a cloud service or external storage in 1-2 GB batches so uploads don't stall. Also convert or compress large video files to efficient codecs. This reduces size by 50% or more while preserving acceptable quality, which lets you delete the originals without losing usable footage. To finish, reboot the phone and recheck storage so system recalculates available space. This often shows extra reclaimed gigabytes. Then enable automatic offload or smart storage rules to remove unused apps and old files proactively, keeping space healthy without repeat manual effort. If you still lack space, inspect hidden app folders and downloads, apply pending system updates, or clear system caches. As a last resort, back up and perform a factory reset. If problems persist, contact support with specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.